Hello everybody. Today I am going to declare you the details of the painting workshops which I am going to conduct in acrylic mediums in the next week. In this video you will get the answers of the 5 questions that why you have to attend these workshops, who can attend these workshops, what are the materials which you are going to require in these workshops, what is the fee structure of this workshop, and most important, when the workshop will going to conduct. So coming to the first point, that what you will get after doing these workshops. So basically I am going to cover the 5 most important topics in this portrait workshop. The 5 mistakes which most of the people do, 80% of the people or the beginners of the artists do, through which they don't get the results in the paintings. So I am going to discuss that 5 basic topics, 5 basic core mistakes which you might be doing, and how to overcome those mistakes, that I am going to cover. Second is that I will be going to conduct it in live sessions, so you can join me live and I will going to teach you live at the same time. But the most important thing is that I am going to give the special attendance to each and every student in this workshop. Now let's come to the point that who can attend these workshops. There is no age limit for this workshop. A school going student, a college going student, or a job holders, or even a retired persons can also do these workshops. Only the condition is that they must have the desire, learning, hunger in them. Next is that I am going to create a batch of those students who are willing to improve their painting skills, and these workshops are dedicatedly only to those persons or those students who have a desire, intense hunger, who have an intense desire of learning the painting. Only for those students I am going to conduct these workshops. I am creating a group of those students on my WhatsApp group. If you think that you are one of the students who would like to get enrolled in that batch, you can inform me on my WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number is 9665206207. It is also given on the screen board below. Next, coming to the point is that what materials we are going to require. You will be going to require 18 by 24 inch size of the canvas. You are going to require the acrylic colors of black, white, red, orange, yellow and blue colors. Only these 5 colors we will be going to need in the entire portrait workshop. And the brushes of 0 number, 000 number and a flat synthetic brushes you will going to need. So when I will going to conduct this workshop, I will going to conduct this workshop every day from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. This painting workshop will conduct for approximately 7 to 8 days till the completion of the painting. This I will going to inform to the students, those who have already there in my batches. And the fees of this workshop is totally free of cost. I am not going to charge a single rupee for you from you. So this workshop is totally free of cost, but for a limited duration only, because I have to pay attention to each and every students, though he is beginner, though he is advanced, or though he is professional. If you think that you should be one of the students in our batch or in the group of the WhatsApp, so please mention your name in the comment box below and stay in touch with me on the WhatsApp and inform me that you would like to get enrolled in that batch. There is no fees and you will be getting my personal attention for the entire workshop.